Welcome to Asian Wednesday.
Cheers!
Cheers.
With Sip and Cook.
What Manan?
Today we have a treat for you in this fall cold weather. We're gonna make
Chicken soup,
yay
but not your average chicken soup.
Asian style.
Asian style, I love.
Remember when we went to Korea
Mm-hmm.
and then we went to this place where they cook chicken and they give you broth, the chicken, and then you add different toppings to the soup.
Oh my
and
God.
we loved it.
It's so amazing.
Mm-hmm.
You would think it's so simple, yet it's so delicious.
Try to make it.
Yeah, you have to make it.
Oh, one more thing, and it's also perfect, if you get like sniffles or you feel like under the weather, this is perfect. It's gonna
perfect.
cure you.
Especially because when you make it spicy, everything just comes out and you feel so much better.
And they have onions.
Onions and garlic, again, our favorite.
Yep. I mean, it's great for the immune system in today's day and age.
Yeah. Oh, I'm so excited. Let's start, Marina.
Yeah, let's start. Cheers.
For my chicken soup, I usually use chicken bone-in thighs. Wash the thighs and then place them in a large pan. Add water and put it on high heat and just wait until it boils. When it boils, lower the heat and leave it for about 2 hours. The longer it cooks, the easier it is to separate meat from the bones, and the broth is much more tastier. Next step is to dice onions, cilantro, then just add meat, onions, and cilantro to the broth. You can add some jalapenos if you'd like it to be spicy, some garlic, and voila! Kids, of course, have a simpler version. They just have rice, chicken, sometimes they have some onions, cilantro, and they love it.
It's good.
How's the soup?
It's good. We both like it. It's good.
It's very good.
You're the best one at cooking.
Make it
Like it
and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.